Hey everybody, welcome back. I have another Shopkins video for you. We were able to find some Shopkins in our area. They've been sold out for quite a while. We don't have any 12 packs, but we do have 2 5-packs to unbox today. And we're going to see what we have. So let's get started. And every pack comes with a Shopkins list. They have different sections. They have a fruit and veg. They have homewares, bakery, sweet treats, pantry, cleaning and laundry, shoes, and the new section for Series 2 is baby. And here are the limited edition Shopkins that are very rare and hard to find. Okay, so our first one is going to be Boohoo Onion, and she is in the blue. And we have this one is Squeaky Clean. This one is Waffle Sue with the green topping. And this is going to be Owl Foil in the green. And let's open up our blind bag and see who our mystery character is. And this will be a duplicate for us. This is Brenda Blender in the blue and yellow. Okay, let's open up the next one. So once again, we have the blind bag, and here is the shopping list. Okay, we have Slick Breadstick with the red beret. We have Poppy Corn in the blue and green. And this is Carrie Carrot Cake with the pink frosting. And this one is Heels in the green. And let's open up our blind bag and see who our mystery is. And this is going to be sour lemon. And this one is also a duplicate for us. But that's okay because these ultra rares are super cute. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these on our display that we made. And we're going to add to our collection. And hopefully we can get some more spaces filled up because as you can see, we still need quite a bit of season 2. So let's get started. We have Boohoo Onion in the blue, and she goes, actually this is Garlic Rose. This is not Boohoo Onion. This is Garlic Rose in the blue. And she goes up there. Up there. And we have Squeaky Clean. And he goes right here. We have Al Foil in the green. And his spot is right here. We have Slick Breadstick with the red beret. And he goes right there. We have Heels in the green. And her spot is right here. We have Poppy Corn in the blue and green. And his spot is right here. Waffle Sue with the green topping, and she goes right there. And Carrie Carrot Cake with the pink frosting, and let's find her spot. She goes right there. So we were able to add a few more to our collection. Hopefully we will be able to find some 12 packs soon. Hopefully our stores will restock and we will be able to add to this collection, and hopefully it will be complete very soon. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.